session, man. Hey, y'all see it. Y'all let him know, man. Make sure y'all go jump on their channels. Don't forget, all comments are appreciated. Peace.
There you go.
So I figured we'd probably go here.
Alright, so I really didn't cut the camera on while he was here. Let him get the video, all his footage. Tough part is, do I move the Monte back over or just leave the Elko outside? Probably leave the Elko outside. Move it over in the morning. Try to do the tie rods. But yeah, it's looking good. It's looking good. I think I'm gonna get this out in the morning too. So just take it around the block, see how the brakes and everything are feeling, pull it back in and tuck it away until the G-Body Classic. I'll get it out a few more times, but just make sure everything's working like it should. Before I take it out, I'll probably adjust the shifter cable a little bit. Yeah. I don't know how that's picking up. Like I said, be on the lookout for his video. Pretty sure it'll be up pretty soon. Tune on 24s. So, yeah, just Robbie stopped by. Tune on 24 was here. So, like I said, he got his footage on both cars. Talked a little bit about other stuff besides just cars. And I think he's going to make the meet tomorrow. Hopefully it's a good turnout. Like I said, I'll get the Elko out. Be nice to get her Mona Lisa out. And we'll bust out the camera and get some pictures with it turned sideways. Start editing those a little bit. But, you know, gotta update the quality a little bit better footage out of here than off the DJI and the cell phone. So you gotta have options. I think the drone's all charged up, so might bust that out tomorrow, but we'll see. We'll see. Alright, so yeah. Just got all these out of the Blazer. Drove that today after replacing the water pump. Some still leaking. I'm not giving up on it just yet. But yeah. Inner outer tie rod sleeves. So those will be going on there in the morning. Just put them together, get them at the same length. Swap them in and out. I don't think I'm putting up the video. I did a little homemade alignment and it's pretty much track straight, so we're good there, especially once that tire gets replaced eventually. But yeah, that'll be the plan tomorrow. Come out, swap that out. That'll probably be its own video, and then may or may not pull out all the cameras and stuff for the meet, but we'll see. Yeah, I'm digging it sitting that way in the garage. Yeah, let me get inside. That's enough of that view. Catch you guys in the morning and start swapping out all these. Alright, so today, I was saying I wanted to come out, replace the tie rod ends on the Elko, but I also wanted to get the Monte out, but I think it needs some gas. So either two ways I could do it. I could run, go get gas, put it in the Monte, take it around the block, then get it back in the garage, move it up to the side, get the Elko in, and replace the tie rods, or just move the Monte over and get the Elko in, replace the tie rods, get the Elko back out, and then get the Monte out after that, which I'm not sure which one I want to do just yet. I'm not sure, but we'll figure it out here in a second. I'll cut the camera off, go grab something to eat, and come back out either ready to head to the gas station with the jug or ready to move the Monte over and get the Elko back in. I guess you can see which one I decided on. some gas in the Monte. Take that around the block real quick, and then get the Elko in. Hopefully have enough time to swap out the tie rod links and get it out today. Alright, so here we go. I would say first start for the day. I started up yesterday. Tune on 24s was over here reviewing the car. So brakes are bled, vacuum line's on. We'll see how the new brake booster setup is. I learned from last time. I think all the I know all the battery cables are tied down, so we should be good. Let's see what it has. Brakes feel 1,000 times better. Feels like I should be able to lock them up now just by pressing them. So yeah, brakes feel a lot better. Still a little loose. It's because the sway bar is not reinstalled. I still have to put it back on the car dollies and move it around. I talked to the guy about the gauge cluster. He read the message, never got back to me, so it's a little iffy now. Seeing what's going on with that. Brakes are definitely feeling better. They feel a lot better. Man, it feels pretty good. Transmission not shifting like I would expect it to, so I might have to look into that a little bit. And then it feels loose without the rear sway bar on, so I have to check into both of those. I'm like, hey, it might be time to get her out. A few more tweaks here and there. So we'll see. We'll see. Come on. Come on. And then I don't think the speedometer is working. Oh, yep, it's working. I guess it just had to take a little bit of driving to really sync itself, because at first I was getting the 404 error message, but it seems to be working. So yeah, I definitely want to add another tinker to the Elko. So space for the 10-inch on that one, but I might do the 7. I might do the 5. Probably do the same 7. That's a decent size and not overkill. See if my buddy with the 84 is home. Nope. Yeah, what I'm gonna do next though, because I have the camera, I might just set it up on over here where I like to shoot and get a flyby or 2. See how it's going. Yeah, but it's like, I'm not even thinking about the brakes anymore because I know they're working. They're working good. I know some people probably say that I don't want to go hydro or something, but it's not that big of a cam, so I'm not too worried about that just yet. That might change down the road, but let me set the camera up and get a flyby or 2. Some good news and bad news. I made it back to the house. Bad news is I don't think the fans were running, so the temp did climb up a little bit. Hopefully I didn't hurt anything. I let it cool down, get it slid over, and I'm not sure if that's just burning off or it's just really getting that hot. But check the I don't think the fans were on, so I need to check that wiring, make sure they have the negative trigger instead of the positive. And then check all the coolants, make sure everything looks good. Eventually I'll do a fresh oil change, top off the coolant, make sure all that's good. But yeah, I'm a little concerned, but like I said, I got it home. Glad I wasn't beating on it, but it should be good. Make up some progress.